Hey guys, it's Kieran with Server.pro, and today I have something very exciting to show you. So if you go to our new control panel, you can see that we have changed it a little bit and revamped it. We've moved a few buttons, added a few tabs, and we've also added a dark theme. So if you go to the top right where your username is, and then click the little toggle for dark theme, you will see it changes to this lovely dark theme, and I think it looks fantastic. I actually prefer it over the standard theme, so I'm going to be using it myself from now on. So as you can see, we've made a few other changes. Some things have been rearranged, and we now have an error log tab on the left hand side. This produces errors in the event that your server crashes, and it helps you identify the issue and resolve it quickly. If you don't understand an error, feel free to contact our support, and they will be able to help solve the issue much sooner than previously due to this new error log. Now also within the file manager, we have syntax highlighting in files. So if we go to this usercache.json file, for example, and I create an error, let's just remove this. And you can see that on the left hand side, it shows which line the error is on. So if there was multiple lines, it would show the specific line where the error is produced. And this helps massively. It will help you solve issues and prevent issues from occurring when editing files. So that's it. We've added a dark theme and we love it. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below as well. So thank you for watching. We hope that you enjoy the dark theme, and we really look forward to seeing you in. Have a great day and goodbye.